Hey guys, this is Tamala. Welcome back again to another exciting episode of Designing with Tamala Bowie Interiors. Now, if you are a new subscriber to my channel, welcome. And if you have not already subscribed, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, in this video today, I am so excited to finally bring to you my 8-month total home remodeling project. Yes, it's finally done. Doing my happy dance. We finished it this past Monday, so I'm excited to be sharing it with you. But first, let me just tell you briefly about the project. A client reached out to me and asked if I would come on board and help with the total renovation and remodeling of one of her rental properties. This home was built in 1923, so we had to do a lot of demolition and a lot of updating on this particular home. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and take you on a tour of the before of this home and also reveal the after. Now, I didn't do any decorating on this project. It was strictly remodeling. But anyhow, I had a great time doing it, and I love the reveal, and my client does too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, everyone, this is the total home remodeling project that I am working on with a client. I'm standing at the front door, and what you're looking at, this is the formal living area of this home, and we painted the walls in this beautiful gray color. We've added in this crown molding throughout the entire home. You see those gorgeous pendants back there. The kitchen is beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you guys the reveal of everything in this house. But I just want to talk briefly about some of the cosmetic changes that were made. Over here, there was a wall heater unit that was right here. We pulled that out because we installed central heat and air. And we've also added in this extra door that leads into the newly remodeled bathroom. That was a wall, and so now they have a door where they can come off of the family room space and go right into that guest bathroom. This right here is one of the bedrooms in this space. And again, we extended the same color in here, and we also added the crown molding in this room as well. Now, coming around this way, hold on. There used to be an opening that led into the bathroom, and this entrance right here is new as well. So this leads directly into this guest bathroom, where this used to be a closet, and it's no longer a closet. It leads right into that guest bathroom. So now let's go back into the living room area. Okay, so now that we're back in the living room area, I'm going to talk separately about the kitchen, but let's finish in here. We added in this countertop bar area. We're going to have some beautiful bar stools sitting there, and that's all new. And then over here, like I said, this is all wall space, and we also have one window right here. So here's the other bedroom that's off the family room space as well. And we haven't got to finish painting in this space, but it's going to be the same color gray that's throughout the home. New ceiling fan, and also we have crown molding. Now coming into this space right here, this door is an original door that leads into that bathroom. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. And right behind here, we still have the original closet area right here. Okay, so this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. And if you've been following me on my Instagram, you would have gotten some sneak peeks of this bathroom. But this bathroom, both those two bedrooms I just talked about, they were shared this bathroom. This is this gorgeous marble floor. We laid it on a running bond, and it's absolutely beautiful. And now we walk into this space. We have the subway tile. We have this huge shower niche, and we also have this window. I think I do have a before picture of what this bathroom looked like, but originally the sink and the toilet was over on this wall. There was one big window. So now we reconfigured the entire area. So that's the bathtub. Now we have the toilet stool. And right over here, we have a new bathroom vanity. And then up here is the new lighting. And then that's where the new mirror is going to go. And that door right there leads into the second bedroom that's in this home. So now in the kitchen area, these pendant lights are new. And right here we have this window right here. Then we still have the pantry. And this is what this area over here, you see that beautiful subway tile. It is absolutely beautiful. Right here is where the stove is going to go. And we have all this extra cabinet space over here. I'm going to turn the camera around real slowly. And this is the area where the other cabinetry is going. And right down here we have more gorgeous subway tile. And then we have the kitchen sink area right here. Okay guys, so this is going to be the master bathroom. This is actually being built. This part was not even part of the home. It was outdoors. So this is off of the master bedroom area that you see right here. Just doing a quick spin around. Sorry if it makes anyone dizzy. So this over here, we're building a closet. Over here is the beginnings of what is going to be the master bathroom. And so we're coming into here, and right over here we're going to have some shelving units. We're going to remove the electrical switch outlet from this wall, and that's going to be floor to ceiling shelving right down here. And over in here is where the toilet, the sink is going to be. And then if I step down, over in here is where the shower is going to be. So you're getting some raw footage of the before of this master bathroom suite. And you can see this was outdoors, so he's having to actually dig down off into here. But this is where the shower's going. And then if I turn around, I'm in the bathroom, so that's into the master bedroom. So we have a lot of work to do. And this was not here. This area that's been cut out was actually part of the wall of the master bedroom. So all this is all new areas, new bathroom, everything. Okay guys, here's the reveal. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I want you guys just to take in all the beauty of this total home remodeling project. And it is completed. So I'm just going to pan around the space so you guys can see it before I get ready to head in and just give a little bit more general information about the project. So stay tuned. So now the space that I'm standing in right now, I'm at the front door and I'm looking directly into the family room space, which has an open concept. So you can see the kitchen right back there. So we painted the space with a color called Reflections, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a gray, soft gray color. It complements very well with all the white trimming and the white doors, and also with all the white crown molding. And we went ahead and we did the exact same color onto the ceiling just so it can be cohesive. And so while we're up on the ceiling, this space did not have any type of overhead lighting. So we went ahead and we added in these can lightings, and they run parallel with the length of this space. So this actually helps to flood this space with lighting. So this was a great addition to this space by bringing in the can lighting. This space actually gets a lot of natural light flooding through, but with the addition of the can lighting, it serves for task lighting and as well as for ambiance because they are on a dimmer. So now down below, we did this laminate hardwood, laminate flooring, and this has a gray wash look, which actually complements the walls very nicely. And this is easy cleanup and it's low maintenance. So the new tenants are going to be excited about the new flooring. Now, right over here, we have the bar area. We have the bar stools that's right here. And these are perfect for the space. We have 3. I'm glad we were able to accommodate 3 at this bar top area. And so this basically rounds off the living rooms area of this home. And now I'm going to go ahead and just briefly walk you through into the bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom home. So now let's go ahead and move right into the bedroom. Okay guys, so this is bedroom number 1. This is a spacious bedroom. This bedroom is at the front of the home. Again, we came in here and we painted the same wall color, Reflections by Sherwin-Williams. And we also added in the ceiling fan to help move the air around in this home. And also we carried the flooring into the bedroom. And here is bedroom number 2. This bedroom is slightly larger. Again, we carried the same paint color. Well, basically it's carried throughout the home. And we also did crown molding. Crown molding is throughout the entire home as well. Again, we did the same ceiling fan in this bedroom as well. And both bedrooms have closets, which I'm sure you guys are probably not wanting to see the closet. So this is the second bedroom. So now I'm back into the living room area, and right off the living room space is this bathroom. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom because both bedrooms have access to this bathroom, and the guest will use this bathroom as well because this is off of the living room. So now I'm going to go ahead and take you into this bathroom. Before we head into it, I just want to show you this marble flooring. We laid it on a running band. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really makes this bathroom feel very spacious, open, and very light. So now I'm heading into the space. And like I said, right here, that's bedroom number 1. That's the door access into this bathroom. And so we come in, we decided to do the toilet stool here. I love that the push handle is on top, or the push buttons are on top. And then we decided to do a beautiful white subway tile in the shower area. And of course, who would not love having a window in the shower area? It helps for condensation and also helps to remove the water vapors from the shower. And we did a large, nice shower niche, and I absolutely love how big it is. This is tall enough to accommodate those tall shampoo and conditioner bottles. And if you look closely, we also lined it with this metallic silver trim instead of just doing your typical bullnose ceramic tile. And so I'm excited about this as well. Everything in here, all the fixtures are all in a chrome. And so having that metallic trim around the shower niche just actually complements all the different, all the shower fixtures that are in chrome in this space. And coming around this way, that's the other door that leads into the second bedroom. And also we have the lighting right here, and we decided not to go with a simple mirror. We decided to do a nicely framed mirror. And coming down this way, you can see the other side of the bathroom. We also have the sink area right down here. So this is not a fairly large home, and so the bathroom's not going to be that big, but it's perfect for the size of this home and for the tenants that's going to occupy this home. So now let's go in and let's talk about the kitchen space. Okay, so now I'm standing in the family room, and like I said, this is an open concept. So while you're standing in the kitchen or while you're cooking in the kitchen, you still will be able to entertain your friends. That's in your family room area. And this is a countertop. The countertop is absolutely gorgeous, and I love how it blends real nice with the walls and also with the flooring. And so also we did pendant lights where we hung them from the ceiling to afford additional lighting and also give lighting over the bar area. So now let's come more into the kitchen. And so right over here we have this window that's bringing in this gorgeous, gorgeous natural lighting. Right there is the pantry. We are in the process of looking for a perfect knob for that door, so just excuse the lock for right now. And right now we have the cabinets. We just painted them white. We added the chrome knobs, and that is the microwave. The stove is going to be stainless steel. We did the subway tile in here as well, just to keep the kitchen crisp and white. And we also decided to wrap crown molding in this space as well. Well, basically crown molding is throughout the entire home. And we're coming along the side where the sink is. Again, we did the subway tile, and we also used a stainless steel sink, and the countertops are absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, we also just repainted the cabinets. And down here, we continued the flooring right into the kitchen. And by this being a laminate, we don't have to worry about issues with water or anything. By this being in the kitchen and considered a wet area of the home, this is laminate flooring, so it will be able to hold up to any type of spills or any type of water that's being dropped in this area. So now let's go to the third bedroom, which will be considered the master bedroom and the master bath. Okay, so we're in what is the master bedroom, and right now we have just a couple of the contractor's items still left behind, but I still want you guys to see what this space looks like. This is beautiful. We again did the same color. We also carried the crown molding into this space as well, and this is right off the kitchen, so we actually stepped down into this space. I love those French doors that's right off the master bedroom. How romantic that's going to be in this space. And so this is a fairly long master bedroom, so the tenant's going to have to be very cognizant of what size furniture they put in here, because it's more long than it is wide. But other than that, this master bedroom turned out beautiful. It's functional, it's very modern, and it's very clean and pristine. So now you see right there into the kitchen. So we're turning around this way because that is now a closet, and you can see the before, what this area looked like before it became a closet and before it became a master bathroom. So let's head into the master bathroom. So now guys, if you remember, I was standing in this same space. I'm still in the master bedroom, but I had provided on my Instagram a video of this new area of this master bedroom. This bathroom was actually outdoors, and that closet did not exist. So if you look at the before picture, then you'll see where this space has evolved into and what the master bedroom. This is not a large home. Again, this home was built in 1921, so we still had to work with the architecture and the bones of this home. So let's go ahead and go into the master bathroom. So this is the master bathroom, and this space turned out beautiful too, considering it was once part of the outdoors. That door right there leads into the garage area. So if anyone's in the garage working, they don't have to walk in through the master bedroom. They can come and access the bathroom straight from the garage. And right over here is the sink area, and we're waiting for the mirror to come. We're going to place the mirror right there, but this is the new sink area, and that actually opens. It has storage. We also did the same marble flooring in here as well. And right over here is where the toilet stool is, and then we also have this area that we're going to put some shelves up here to serve as storage for the towels that's going to go into this master bathroom. Now, coming around this way, I want to show you guys. Look at that shower. And like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the before. This was literally outdoors. We did the same marble flooring in here just to keep it cohesive, but we did a pebble-like tile at the bottom, which is feels real good on your feet. And I actually wanted some contrast between the marble to break up some of the marble. So we decided to go with this pebble tile in the bottom. And again, we did all the chrome fixtures in here as well. And what I love the most about it, like I said, this was once outdoors. We just went ahead, we followed along the roof line. So this is a unique shower with the slanted roof and the slanted ceiling in this space. Now we also did another shower niche right over here. We didn't go as wide in here as we did in the first bathroom, but we just went taller again to be able to accommodate the tall shampoo and conditioner bottles. And so always keep that in mind when you're remodeling a bathroom. Make sure you have a tall and wide enough shower niche, and so it'll be able to accommodate the things that you use in your shower. And so this is the master bathroom. I'm going to turn around this way because then it also shows you it goes right into the master bedroom suite. So guys, did you guys enjoy going along with me as I showed you one of my total home remodeling projects? I had so much fun doing that project. I was sort of kind of nervous and excited. Yeah, I've done home renovations. I've done bathrooms and kitchens, but I really had fun doing a total home makeover. So if you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And once again, if you're new to my channel and you want to get more great design and decorating videos such as this, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment below what part of the new home that you like the most. So once again, thanks for watching Designing with Tamala Bowie Interiors, designing for how you really live in your home. Bye for now.